welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hola familia! I hope you're doing all well. I hope you had an amazing Christmas and a happy holiday. And today we're just going in with another fun holiday themed look. I am literally just whipping a bunch of colors that I thought would go really well together. Anything from a Hoo brand, Gershon to Saviland, and I put them all together. I think I even have some Burano in there, and I just mixed them all together and came out with this really beautiful festive look. So I am going in with Saviland first, and it's a really sheer pink. I have some glitter on the side that I got from Pearl Glitter Shop that it was kind of like a sample because I bought so much. And then I have like these little cute iridescent snowflake looking like little chunks on the side that I got from Amazon, and I'll link those down below. So I am doing an ombre on my ring finger and my index finger, and I'm starting off with just putting a thin layer of polygel with the Saviland. I believe it's number 7. It's like a very sheer pink. And I am just placing my iridescent chunks on it, and then I'm also putting like these actual paper snowflakes that I ended up taking from like another kit and just put them in here. Once I finished all of that, I cured that for just like a flash cure, and then I go in with my number 11 from Saviland, and I am doing an ombre. So remember, we are clear capping all of this. We want to make sure that everything is set, everything doesn't fall apart and doesn't get ruined with drilling, so make sure you do that. Might look a little rough now, but don't worry, that is what shaping and filing is for. I did want to tell you that I put tips on top of my extensions. If you want to make sure your nails last, do not do it like this. I just do it because I do a lot of videos and I don't want to get rid of my extensions because I just really like them. And they're easy to do dip on top, so I just keep them on. I am gonna invest in like a silicone hand pretty soon, so I'm really excited about that. And I've got some unboxing to do pretty soon as well, so keep an eye out for all that. For any other video suggestions, make sure you comment down below. I love to know what y'all want to see, what y'all are interested in, and I love responding to all of your comments as well. So thank y'all again for the support, for the love, and I hope y'all had an amazing holiday. So for my ring, for my middle finger and my pinky, I went in with that beautiful glitter from Pearl Glitter Shop. I'll link everything down below. This was a little sample size that I'm so gracious that I received, and I am just going in with that sheer pink and putting like a nice thin layer, then encapsulating my glitter after I place it the way I want. And I'm doing that for my middle finger and my pinky finger, and it ends up coming out so pretty. I didn't expect it to come out this nice, and one thing that I love about this glitter in specific is it has like chunks of red but also chunks of pink and like iridescent colors that makes it kind of look green and purple and hot pink. Like I love the color combo. So it ended up turning so nice, and I'm gonna let y'all finish and I'll come back. Y'all, I told you it would look sharp after. So after I buff shaped and filed with my Melody Susie nail drill, I went in with some Krowned Kyrstals and just did some gem work. I used the red ones. I was like, wait, I have red ones. Let me take advantage. So I put some red rhinestones and encapsulated those with some like top coat and just quick flash cure with my little flashlights. So after I did that, I just finished the nail look off, and then I cured everything for a solid 60 seconds. Y'all, so that's the end of the video. Look how beautiful they came out. Was not expecting it to come out this pretty. Like I said, this was totally freestyle. I literally just grabbed a bunch of colors, put them all in one pile, and it was like, let's do it. So I'm really happy with the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed the way it came out. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that notification bell and that subscribe button and be a part of that DIY Familia, okay? Anyhow, thank y'all again so much for watching, and I hope y'all have an amazing New Year's, and I will see ya in the next one. Nos vemos!